Okay, so today is January 23rd, 2025. It's 9:51. It's almost time for me to close the charts. I mean, I still have about an hour, but honestly, the way price action is going today, it looks like I will not be placing a trade. I just kind of wanted to go over when to not place trades during market conditions like this. So, we'll start off with NAS. NAS just looks horrible. So this red right here means that's like the open for me. So it starts from I think 8 o'clock. But I'm here by like 7:45, And when I saw how we looked pre New York, and how London looked good, like it was just pushing down. But this is ugly. We don't trade like this. And if you do, good luck, because I don't trade like this. But we did have this little demand that held pretty nicely. I mean, I would have never took this though because we're just counter trending from the 200 EMA. Also, it's just not, we don't have a clear trend. But I believe NAS wants to do a reversal and go back up. That's my bias for NAS. I'm not sure if that's going to happen, but my bias is that we're going to want to be ready to buy. For gold, there was nothing much on gold. Like we have no setups on gold. We had this demand right here with no break of structure, but it's holding. I know a lot of people took sells on gold right here, which I understand why they would sell because the higher time frame kind of is in a selling bias for me, but I personally think gold wants to go back up. Like I don't think gold wants to keep selling, but of course we'll see what happens. And I did like the S&P. I did like this as a breakout, 13 EMA breakout, but I didn't take it because it had already happened and I wasn't looking to enter late. So I just kind of let it pass and I'm just watching it, and it's not hitting a 101 yet, but it's close, and I think that the S&P might want to keep going back up and to fill up so many gaps from yesterday's day. And just looking to the left, we can see that we have gaps to fill and liquidity to grab, but that's that for that. But I just not I don't like trading in this condition. Like I like to see a clear trend. Also, even though we are bearish on gold, I don't think gold is wanting to drop more, especially after this demand. And yeah, so like I said, it's only 9:54 and it's pretty late already. I mean, I only have an hour left and I don't think I'm going to catch a setup, but there is times where I have caught setups around 10:30 or 20 around there, and they were good setups. But for now, there's nothing that I like, and it is a Thursday, so we have tomorrow to trade. And I've only taken one trade this week, which was on, I believe it was on Monday, and it was a loss. I think it was Monday. Let me double check. Sorry, it was on Tuesday, and it was a small loss, but that's the only trade I've taken this week, which I'm okay with only trading once or twice, or even just not trading at all. So yeah, I'm working on just being more patient. I found that I've been trading a lot this month. We're only on the 23rd. I mean, actually, we're almost done with January, which is crazy because I feel like we just started January. But I've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've taken 7 trades this month, and I've only won 2 setups, and I've lost 5. So I've been just in a red in the red this month, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm still learning out. Just hit myself. I'm still learning, and I'm still trying to just observe and see what I see and see what I like. But yeah, I do believe gold is gonna just keep pushing up. Nas is just so bad. This is ugly. Like, we don't know what is happening. There's nothing happening on Nas. And then on S&P, that's tough if someone took this and that. But I still think S&P might still want to go up. But yeah, I'll be back if I see anything. If not, then I'll be back too, just to tell y'all that I didn't trade. But yeah, and also it's so cold. It's so cold in Florida. Let's check the degrees. It is 46 degrees, but it says it feels like 40. Yesterday, it said it felt like 33, which was so cold. I was in bed all morning. I did not want to get up. And it's raining too, which is even worse. I feel like when it's cold and rainy, it's even colder. So, yeah, I miss the sun. But it's nice though. I think these days are nice because you get to just stay home and you don't need to be going out. I'm not going out. Like, maybe to the gym I'll go, but I won't even want to go out to the grocery store. I don't want to go out nowhere. But I do need to go to the grocery store. Come here, Milo. Come join me. Come join me. Come here. And it sucks because you can't even take your dog out because it's raining and they're going to get all dirty and muddy and it's just not the vibe. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Let's see. Yeah, there's just nothing going on. Okay, so I do kind of like this setup as the 13 EMA break. I'm not taking it because we are counter trending with the 200 EMA, and at the end of the day, the EMAs are a little bit flat. We're not really in a clear uptrend, and I just rather skip on this trade as well. But I do like this trade. I don't know if it's gonna hold, but we'll see. Nas is still looking like poop. S&P, it didn't hit that 101. I didn't take this. Like I said, it was too late. I probably would have, I'm not gonna lie, if I just was on time, but I'm glad that I wasn't, because it just, I would not be happy with how price is looking. But yeah, that's that. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I guess we'll see. Okay, y'all, it is 10:38. I haven't placed a trade yet. Still, I don't think I really am. I mean, I'm about to close the charge in 20 minutes, but I do like this NAS breakout, 13 EMA breakout. I didn't take it because I just think it's better to just sit out of the markets today. The markets have been not good. Everything is just really choppy, and I don't like how the markets are looking personally. But yeah, I think it was just best to sit out on everything right now. Like I said, I believe that NAS might want to go up. Also, another reason why I was just not willing to take this risk was because we have a supply on the 15-minute, and I just don't find this to be a very A+ setup for me. But that's it. I'm gonna go. I hope you guys made some money today. If not, we come back tomorrow. So, you know, we got another day, we got another week, we got another month, we got another year to trade. But that's it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.